What is up, beautiful world? It's a beautiful life. We're here again. Another day of vertical vitality. Who would have thought? Can't believe it. So thankful. Hex, I love you, baby boy. You're such a good boy. Keep doing you, baby. Okay? My name. Sorry. Hi guys, my name is Frank Rossi. Daily vlog. I daily vlog, literally. And today I have a very special guest. One of the guys I first met when I came to LA at one of the house parties when I was in my dark phase at the start of it. He came up to me. He said, "Hey man, I've seen your stuff. I like your energy." And he's always been a really good friend to me and always looked out for me after that. And we're gonna get some boulders in, climb it up, and reconnect. Man, I'm super excited. Let's check in the weight. I got some clothes and stuff on, but we'll just take off a pound of it. And 137.5. Pretty good. We were down to like 135, something like that last week, which was kind of scary. So I'm happy to say that we're kind of coming back up again, which is great. And yeah, man, I love you guys, and I'll see you at the gym. What do you want to be called in this video, I guess? Say that. Guys, we made it to the gym. Let me get this other. And I want to introduce you guys to my, to my friend, Jonathan Tuil. He's gonna be going by Tuil today. You can strap this on anywhere you like. Sure. Headphones in, just chilling.
Yeah, I listen to a lot of music, so I'm always by myself working out now. Obviously, building habits with friends is great, but they're gonna always abandon you. So now I just have to learn to be alone. And the music helps me. Is this staying like right here?
Yeah, it's like a little clip. Basically, you just... I love your chalk bag.
Thank you, dude. Look at him.
Is he new?
You know, there's a bunch of buddies that they sell here, but yeah, I got the red one because you know me, I'm like a firebender.
Check out this outfit.
I have so many random baggy climbing pants. Wild. Let's warm up a little bit. Show me how you would warm up.
Okay, I bet. You want to start on this new wall?
I realize like your hamstrings are a massive muscle in this sport.
Yeah, I've neglected them for so long. Like
You just are a muscle though. You know what I mean?
Nah, bro. There's so much to me that's like weak as like whenever I work out with people, I'm very like,
bro, I saw your last video. You were pressing 45s on your shoulder. That's what I'm pressing right now. And I'm like 20 pounds heavier than you. Which by the way, I was his weight like a year and a half ago. And now I'm like 20 pounds heavier. So it's nice.
Do you have like a progress kind of like...
Yeah, I'll send him an ugly, embarrassing picture of me a year and a half ago. And I'll send him a current picture. Hopefully he'll put it somewhere.
I will. I'll put it like right here. That'll be cool to like show everybody. Because everyone I've been hanging out with lately has crazy transformations. I'm not gonna lie, including yourself too. So
yeah, I did it in 2 parts because obviously I fell off like every normal human. You know, you go really, really hard, and there was a foundational issue with my habits, you know, so obviously when I felt sad again or I went into like a low period, I really kind of broke, which is natural, but I learned a lot through that low and I patched it up, and then I'm back online, and now the gains and the strength are coming back, so it's great. I'm actually pretty much back at my last highest point where I was climbing, so everything moving forward, I think the next couple months will be
on the up and up.
Yeah, the first time in my life the other day, I felt like I was like, oh, I'll get a V6 eventually.
That is a good feeling. When you're on that V5 cusp to V6, it's like, that's the make or break point. I quit so many times at that point. Like I literally just stopped climbing.
I was like laughing in the sauna with someone. They were like, yeah, it's like V6 is where like you actually have to be strong and have technique.
It's really like there's no room for error there at that point. There's some of them you can get away with. There's like some dyno V6s and stuff, but for the most part, a V6, yeah, you're gonna have to have good enough technique and all that stuff to actually...
Dude, I cannot wait to see you gain 30 pounds. I think I'm more excited than any human that's doing this or following you. Like, cause I know as a skinny guy too, what you're gonna look like. It's gonna, bro, you might be like, wanna stop before you're gonna be like, I look too crazy. Like my clothes fit different, like. Because they want to see if someone can be consistent. You know how many people do 75 hard and fail? You just see them at day 35 and then never post ever again. You're like, wait, did they not do that anymore? Like, did that just stop? Just gonna stretch out the lats, dude. I need them so bad. Over and over again. We've been going. That pressure from the hamstring into the leg, it's funny how much disconnect I have. And I feel like a lot of people who climb, I realize that.
That's a nice crimpy one, damn.
Yeah, it is actually.
Okay. Also, Matt, sorry I'm wearing your sweatshirt, bro. You gotta come get it from me. I'm not giving it back.
It is a little crimpy.
Like, damn. Okay, one. The grades have been getting harder lately, which I kind of like. Over and over again.
It's like music to my ears. She's not bothered by the tears. She got me facing all my fears. It's like she paced it through these years. Addiction got me.
I was like, wait, what? My leg was like, shling.
Sliding right off.
I was like,
Got me insecure. I don't stop taking these pills. I'm talking about these.
Oh, maybe I missed that left one, that's why. I was like so off.
I had to skip it. Feeling good.
So the blood pressure is
spiking.
It's like trying to kick in.
It's a pure climb day. We love it.
Pure climb day, and then we'll probably like just for shits and gigs, we'll go in the gym and just burn out.
Got me insecure. I don't stop taking these pills. I'm talking about.
I like figure so much stuff like on the go. I'm just like, wait, I should have probably looked at this first.
Stop taking these pills. close. I'm talking about these songs. Sing these melodies like therapy. I'm sorry for doing.
This is why it's a 4.
Yeah.
You want to try first?
No, no, no. I'm not good at these sitting starts. Oh, you're pushing. That looks terrible.
All right.
And then the rest is just kind of Crimperton Nation. Easy peas. Right.
That start is not fun.
Didn't look good. I don't know if I can get this.
You got it.
No way. Wait, did you do?
Yeah, I was pushing off of the right, I think.
I feel like I'm just gonna run into a bunch of hard 4s now and I can't even get to 5.
Look up here too if you want to do a bigger move. That's that.
I might have to. Oops.
Nice. Good hook. Left up. Bro, the dramatics are amazing.
I'm like fucking bad. I don't know like why am I so sad.
Who's it?
So you have to go right hand bump and then big left. Right, that makes sense.
Yeah.
Reconnection, just sending messages. Combat for you. When you throwing out microaggressions, you ain't teaching no lessons, baby. What do I gotta do? Tell me what I gotta do.
That little tricky one right
What's
there.
frustrating too is like being able to solve the problem in your mind, but not your body.
That's the worst feeling probably. Like,
And I think the stubbornness that lives within me is why I love climbing so much. Because I refuse to be able to let my mind do something that my body can't now. Because back in the day, like when you're partying and doing drugs and shit like that, you don't care about that at all. Like you're completely disconnected from that energy. Now that it's come back to us, it's like, I don't care how much I fail. I'll keep failing until I win. It's like I think I'm challenging myself, you know? And rather than that conductor controlling us, we're now challenging it constantly. And that's the difference between success and failure.
That's how you get better. On that, where your hand is now, the left hand,
Yeah.
you have a V3 if you start there.
Oh, that.
Isn't that funny? From there, it's a V3.
Well, yeah,
and then
because
from
here
down
it's-
there, 2 grades higher just from those 2 moves. Yeah. Dude, nice.
When I'm all up on the drugs, I see a different side of you. Can't ever tell if I'm enough, and I gotta keep it true. Bitch can't tell me what I want, cause lately I've been in that mood, in that mood. I've been in a different view, baby.
Dude, it's so impressive that you've actually got this far with the impingements that you do have, to be honest. I'm not gonna lie. Like, a lot of people just give up and just be like, yeah, I'm a V3 climber for life type shit.
I'm not gonna lie though, if I get to V6, I may say that. I may be like, I'm just a V6 climber forever.
I've been in the mood, I've been looking to the stars, and I've been praying on the roof. You make it difficult.
This one might be one of those ones I can campus.
You think?
That might be a vibe.
That'd be a crazy one. You see that shoulder workout did some damage, dude.
Damage. Bro, like I'm still feeling it. I didn't do it yesterday, so 2 days ago.
Yeah, the concept of overloading your muscles is like, oh, okay, that's what I have to do. Like on at least 3 times a week, I just have to overload that muscle.
Oh God, I don't know what to do, cause I've been praying to a God who don't know what I want from you. And don't know what to do, baby, someone let me loose. We been spinning around in town, had to go and make a move. You still alright? You still alright, yeah. You come alive when I'm going to your side. She still my time, yeah. She made a diamond. I'll make the time, we can call that perfect time.
Hell yeah.
That's sick. That looked crazy, dude.
Oh, do you want chalk?
No, it's okay. Sorry, I just left mine.
Bro said, oh, you need
Wait, that's not the one.
He said no chalk life. Yeah, no chalk life. You got it. Yep. Yup. Good work. Oh.
These slabs are killing me today, dude. I hate slab.
We're locked in. So it's dyno from here?
Yeah.
Oh, it's
Not too bad.
So there.
And you're hanging there, which is not, that's the easy part. And then you gotta Hayukin this way, right? And then you gotta hang this way, and then
How you doing?
and then you gotta heel hook.
I believe in you.
Take off all this armor and watch these memories all fade. All my love for you stay.
the only thing that remains. So keep my head above the water, let my soul to cast the fire.
I think I cheated though. Did I cheat on the video? I gotta watch.
You did it perfectly, bro. Dude, yes, that was great, dude. The way you came up on that, everything was like pro, for real. Dinos are so precise, it's interesting. Can't tell if it's addiction or desire.
She's not bothered by the tears. She got me facing all my fears. As I keep aging through these years, addiction got me insecure. I don't stop taking these pills. I'm talking.
You know what it was? It was because I should have never overloaded. I should have never done push-ups yesterday on my rest day. Rest means rest.
Maybe the orange one actually looks more chill. It's like more self-explanatory.
Yeah, just a little bit more crimpy.
I don't stop taking these pills. I'm talking about these songs. Sing these melodies like therapy. I'm sorry for doing wrong. I'm sorry for doing wrong.
Easy
That one was
peasy.
self-explanatory. Super chilling.
That's pure power. Maximum velocity.
You guys hear that? I have power.
Dude, you're like I'm strong muscle, dude. That's why we gotta push you today. Don't worry about my failures. Let my failures be the gas to your successes, bro.
We still gon' fight, yeah. She still gon' find me. But that's alright, 'cause every time I call her mine. Different view, baby. I've been in the mood. I've been looking to the stars. I've been praying on the
Holy
You
moly.
make it difficult, oh God. I don't know what to do, 'cause I've been praying to God. I don't know what I want from you. But maybe this is what I needed.
Flash.
Kind of, but I fell the first time.
Oh yeah, I guess you're right. Like just skip the one that you're trying to achieve and go to one that's like 2 times harder. And I guess your body will naturally
Like, you got
adjust.
that. That's actually a
I
great
fail
way to do
every
it.
day. I have a very anime-like mentality, I think, where I'm just like Goku, you know, where it's like fail, 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 fail is just the build up to the next win. Right foot sooner.
Oh, yeah. Smart. Smart. That's a big move. Bro, these falls, I'm telling you. Bro, it's just epic. Every time you fall, it's...
But that was the move.
Back door, moved it like LeBron James. I can't say that I'm a go, 'cause I've been with the beef bag. They call me on an X-Pill. They can't even see straight. Make her scream out wild.
Slip. If I got the right foot, better.
Call that BLP way. Fill your bottle up with emotional baggage. Now you call me up when you're trying to let it out. And I ain't trying to let you down. No, I ain't trying to let you down.
Let's go. You ate that up.
Breakfast served. What a great time, dude. Good name.
Did you ever sauna here?
Yeah.
You down? Yeah. Sauna is the healer of all, dude.
Detoxer.
Sauna every day for 20 minutes is the key to life, dude. Oh, yeah, like Tony Robbins talks about the sauna. It's just an external heat. It's not only a mental game too, because when you're in the sauna, you're obviously now fighting your mental, telling you to get the hell out of there. So obviously as a climber, there's a lot of synergy there, and obviously blood flow, everything just increases. So, and tendon recovery.
Really?
So obviously being a skinny guy with no strength, and obviously today wasn't my greatest climbing day, but it shows you that like there's a lot of tendons are involved in the strength here, fingers are, and you can't just sit and recover them by doing nothing. Heat is a great way to relax the tendons, dude. It's just for anybody struggling with leveling up or like recovery, hit the sauna.
Where'd you learn the tendon recovery part from?
Just talking to climbers, like meeting Dylan and like a bunch of guys that like work at, you know, Cliffs or here at Hollywood Boulders, and just like asking questions, you know, just keep prodding people for information, you know, just being the nerd that I am.
We're graciously calling it on the climb right now.
Yeah, you know what? It is what it is. We're here to work out and to get stronger, you know, not necessarily become the best climbers. Well, Frankie is, but
No.
I think we should do a bicep situation, a lat situation. Yeah. Let's just keep it simple. Okay, we're gonna do one at your highest height, and then we're gonna drop from there. Grab your core. So what you do is you wanna keep your elbow in, then drop all the way down, and just do 6 at high weight. It's crazy to feel like how much my right is more gas than my left. Once you've done 6 on each side, we're just gonna drop weight. We're gonna do the same thing for 3 sets. We're gonna just keep dropping 5. Perfect. I've just dropped my first one. Okay. I've exhausted the muscle a bit. Not that I'm a trainer, but we just wanna get that pump and shred the muscle, and you'd rather do better form. And I know with heavy weight, form always gets compromised.
But that's the way it's gonna go.
And you're gonna scoot into your hip. And that's gonna be a lat move.
That's the way it's gonna be. Turn up the treble, maybe turn up the trouble. You know what I need, I got my heart from the devil. Wear my heart on my sleeve, trying to pull it together.
What a workout today. We're about to go hit the sauna right now. We're gonna give you guys a nice little pump check.
You're gonna have this coming in soon when you start eating. You're gonna have your shoulders are gonna be big.
Oh.
You already have the biggest back I've ever seen in my entire life. Because me and you have the exact same body type, and I literally looked like you a year ago without the huge back. So now that you have the biggest back I've ever seen, when you get the shoulders coming in and your chest, dude, insane. But yeah, dude, we did a really good job today. I'm really so I'm bulking, so I don't have all my abs like you, and it's killing me, but it's gonna happen to you too. Watch. When you're going through bulk, and then cut after you reach your goal, even though it sucks and you look like shit, but it's definitely worth it. Cannot wait to see this guy V10 in like a month.
Bro, I can't wait to see that
V7, I know.
I can't wait to see that V6.
Oh,
That's
man.
in the books for you. Easy.
I can't wait to come back. Thank you for the invite, dude.
Hey, no problem. It was really a pleasure. If you guys enjoyed the video, please leave a like down below. Subscribe for more content with me and Tuil. We'll definitely be back soon. We're gonna be climbing, working out, getting stronger, getting better every single day. And man, yeah, it was a pleasure.
Do
All right.
it.
I'll see you guys soon. Peace.
All my sworn enemies, dead by the morning, gone with the leaf. And I run on the devil, put my heart on the sleeve. You got me spilling out, wondering what it's gonna be. She looking calling in that Garcon, Uber to my spot. Had to beam him with the red dot, all it takes is one shot.